Hey guys, I'm just making a quick video here. As you can see, here's my blackout panel, and what I did is outline where the bracket's gonna go on the protection thing cover here. So after outlining, I took my X-Acto knife and I cut it around the brackets where the bracket's gonna get mounted. The whole idea is, as you can see, it's very shiny. Let me see if I can get some light on it. See right there, you can see how shiny this is. So for me to attach the bracket to it, I need to make it a little rough. So this is probably like, I don't know, 1000 grit paper or something. So I'm just gonna lightly scuff here like that, just to take the sheen off. And the reason why I'm doing that is so the glue can adhere to it, because as you know, the glue does not adhere well to glossy surfaces. So in order for me to make this, for the glue to permanently stick and work, I need to make scuff this a little bit, make it, a little rough, and then I can glue it no problem, and the glue will hold it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this way, as now you see, the glossiness is gone. There's a bit of abrasion on it, and that abrasion is what is required for the glue to stick, for the bracket to hold the bracket on this position right there, just like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on all 4 points. This is the first one, second, third, and fourth. So once I'm done with this step, I'll make another video for you guys.